Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a beautiful little Dorner conveyor. Dorner's well-known manufacturer. They make a uniquely low-profile conveyor, very thin body. You'll see there's a channel in the side, there's lugs in there now, allows you to add anything you want to mount off the conveyor. It's running on 120 volt and it is variable speed. It's 8 inches by 52 inches long. Very nice design. You'll notice the legs are graduated, so it makes it easy to adjust heights. Of course, you can also tilt the conveyor body. There's a little bit of swing in there. It has a small Bodine motor on driving it, chain drive. If you need to go a little faster, looks like there's room where you could reduce the size of the lower sprocket on the motor, and that'll change your speed ratio between that and the conveyor drive sprocket. Like I said, 120 volt, single phase, nice, easy, handy to have around. You can move the position of the legs easily from wherever they are. Very versatile little unit. We do have a lot of them in stock, all types of conveyors as well as everything in process and packaging equipment. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.